Hello, welcome to day two? Day two. Because yesterday was day one.
Well, you vlogged? No, because you didn't upload that yet.
Well, yeah, but they're not going to be after that one, isn't it, you numpty? Okay, yeah. So today is for Friday. Thursday, Friday. But we have a problem, and it is raining.
Turn Britain outside in Spain.
It's raining outside, so we put our hats on, jumpers. We're going to go out anyway because
Why? Where?
I don't want to sit in this room
Where are we going?
all day. I'm just going to go look around. So yeah, I'm not sure what we'll be doing today, but we'll be vlogging, not a lot, and vlogging in the rainy weather. Everyone's got their hats on. Patty's even got her jeans on.
Huh.
So yeah, I'm not sure what you'll see today. It might not be very long, but see you in a minute.
Sunny Spain. There we go. All I can smell is pine.
It's not too bad though, it's not cold.
All I can smell is pine.
Every country needs rain, otherwise none of the trees won't grow on the flowers.
Not this country.
Not when we're on holiday.
Use a hose pipe.
I'm still walking to the beach. We just popped into the family planning. Family planning. Tourist information to get a bus timetable. So I'm hoping to get the bus to Tarragona one day. But it seems to be stopping now. The clouds are clearing, so hopefully the sun might come out. Okay, we're trying to find somewhere to cross the road, but it's so deep.
Oh my god, no. I can't. Now you can see where the top is. Look at this lovely place. Never.
You're having way too much fun. Like all the roads are flooded.
Elliot's gonna ride on the pony. I'm gonna write that magic mic song now. Ride your pony.
Oh, it's like that.
Yeah, so this is the phone shop. Looking for a lead, but we're waiting for the lady. I don't know what she's doing. Yeah, so that's where we're at the moment. I can't believe the roads are so flooded.
Hey, look, a lorry, film him, they'd love that.
I haven't seen one drain. Look at their car, look. That's why the cars are so clean, Elliot.
Oh, yeah. That's why the cars are so clean.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just waiting now, so.
Oh,
it's a bit very.
You got your bag on?
There we go. Oh, a success. We did find one. She did have one. After rummaging around in the cupboard. €5, not too bad. So that was good. So now, hopefully, I can put the videos from the rides into day one vlog from Portaventura. Hopefully tomorrow we will go back to Portaventura as we've got a 2-day pass, but we didn't want to go in the rain, so yeah. Enjoying it, guys, in the rain. So yeah, I'm not sure what we're doing now, but I will let you know when I know. We found these lovely buildings. Am I zoomed in? Why does it always zoom in? Looks so pretty. Well, not next door, obviously, that one does. And this tower. Oh, look, a garage. So yeah, now Simon's on the hunt for Lidls. Very exciting. Come all the way to Spain to look for English. Well, it's not English, is it? But to go somewhere you can go when you're in England. I like all these old little Spanish buildings. It's nice because I suppose you don't see these.
Peas. It's a pea tree. Loads of peas.
A pea tree? Peas don't grow on a tree.
But there's peas on it.
Pea tree?
Yeah.
Pea tree.
There's peas. If there's peas on a tree, it's not a pea plant, is it?
Oh, Mum. The Church of Santa Maria. Built in 1766, used by seafarers at the time.
Bit green. Bit green.
Look, that's just so sad. Look, that's one.
You can see a sign for Lidl. There. Woohoo! So, nearly there. Ooh, we walked through a bit of a area. But hopefully we're in. But it looks like you've got to walk through a flipping marsh to get there. I don't think I'm walking through there. I'm going to walk up here to the main road and then left. This bit's a buildings one, I think. Building new buildings. So yes, we can see Lidl's. So hopefully, then we've just got to find a way back to the apartment. It'll be fun. What is it, love? Albino snail.
It's got white shell and white body. No squishing, it's white. And that's great. Bad noise.
Oh, cute.
Let's go.
Out for the day, shorts and t-shirt. Oh,
Oh, that is one thick leaf.
thick. Should hire some bikes on, we could have cycled. Yay! Been to Lidl's and now we're heading back to the beach. So we can walk along the front on the way back to the apartments. So yeah, walking through this area. It's quite nice to see authentic Spain rather than just the tourist bit, I suppose. Got to walk over the railway track now. Yeah, because the barrier would be down if you couldn't walk. Oh. There we go. That's a different way than where we crossed earlier, isn't it? Oh look, I can see the beach. Starting to rain a little bit again now, but not too bad.
It smells like down this bit. The butterfly garden.
Yeah, look, yeah. Butterfly farm in Stratford. Butterfly garden. Jump, 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 jump! Go under, go under, go, go, go!
I'm wearing makeup as well.
Marnie, is it cold or are you getting used to it now? It's cold!
Oh my god, no.
Obviously, we're the only people in here.
I can't even get my shoulders under. Hi, you need to get your shoulders under.
I'm going to try my phone underwater. Here we go.